In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the shortcuts on your Descent G2 series dive computer. This includes the controls and hotkeys. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools, including pool mode, battery saver, timers, and Garmin Pay Wallet. To access the controls menu, press and hold the light control button. Here you can view all of the preset controls. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options. To add a new control, press and hold the up menu button. Select Add Controls using the Start-Stop button. The additional controls will be available to choose from. When you have located one that you want to add, select it. In this video, we will be adding Sunrise, Sunset. Once selected, you can continue to add additional controls. To finish adding controls, press the back button twice to return to the controls menu. The new controls will be added to the end of the list in a clockwise rotation. To open or enable the control, press the Start-Stop button. When finished, you can press the back button to return to the controls menu. Additionally, we can also change the controls list order or remove unused controls. To change the list order, press and hold the up menu button to open the settings. Scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Locate the control that you would like to move and select it. The image will include up and down arrows. Press the up and down buttons to move the control's placement in the list. When you have found the desired location for the control, press the Start-Stop button to confirm its new location. Repeat this process to move around any of the controls in this menu. Once you are finished, press the back button to return to the menu. Scroll down and select Remove Controls to remove a control. Locate the control that you would like to remove from the controls menu. Press the Start-Stop button to remove the control. Repeat this process to remove any other controls. To exit the menu, press and hold the back button to open recently used apps. Select the clock icon at the top to return to the watch face. Next, we will discuss hotkeys. Hotkeys allow you to quickly access settings or features that you use most by holding a certain button combination. To begin customizing your hotkeys, start by pressing and holding the up menu button. Scroll down and select System. Then scroll down and select Hotkeys. Here you will see various button combinations. A few of them are preset to quickly access the main features of the watch, such as clocks and ABC controls. For this video, we will select Start plus Up, but the process will be the same for all other button combinations. Once selected, scroll through the available hotkey options. We will be selecting MOB or Man Overboard. Continue to set up other button combinations, or press and hold the back button to open recently used apps. Select the clock icon at the top to return to the watch face. To access the hotkey, simply hold the button combination. To exit, press the back button. And that's it. Your Garmin Descent G2 series dive computer's controls and hotkeys are now customized. To learn more about your device, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.